it's safe to say the US federal government has a spending problem. If you put the federal government in charge of the Sahara Desert, in 5 years there'd be a shortage of sand. This is one of the greatest quotes from Milton Friedman, one of the most legendary economists on the planet. Absolute king. The Fed is using its own money to buy government debt, basically printing its own money to pay its own bills. And at some point, it's going to cause mass inflation and really weaken the dollar. Maybe China might catch up.
After World War II, the US dollar took over from the pound as the world reserve currency. And 100 years before that, the pound took over the Dutch guilder as the world reserve currency.
History doesn't rhyme, but it does repeat. And as we come close to nearly 100 years since the US dollar took over the pound, as a country becomes more developed, everything becomes more expensive. Labour, goods and production. So what always happens? Cheaper production somewhere else. Labour is exported to India and China. And that's exactly why one country never stays at the top, because there's always someone cheaper until they're no longer cheaper. And China is facing that top spot, with India in close second. A lot can change in 50 years, I'll tell you now.